Got the tires for the new setup right here. Some 265, 35, 22 Ironman eye moves. I got all 4 of them. I done put 2 up, but these are them guys right there. I like the tread design on these. But whenever the wheels get here, we'll slap these boys on them. Finally came in. Let's see what we got. I got the wheels and tires loaded up. Cutting it close. I'm gonna try to get them mounted today. Maybe they'll still be open by the time me and Will get there. Sure. Got the wheels loaded up. Now we're about to head back to the crib, try to bolt these guys on. Trash everywhere.
When I be watching that, I be getting mad at like y'all do all this performance stuff, and y'all never make them bitches look good.
That's all they damn. Some people just worried about that. That's it.
I mean, I like it all, bro.
Finally got them. Got the wheels on. It's hot.
Fair.
Shout out to World Best Tire. They put these jokers on in like, how fast?
All 4 wheels. Well, I was unboxing them, probably about 35, 40 minutes.
35, 40 minutes. I already had them on there.